For today's video, I will show you our raised bed garden. So today we went to the store in Menards to buy the tomato plants, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, beef stick tomatoes, jalapenos, we have 3, and green bell pepper, we have 6. Yeah, we love green bell pepper. And then 2, what's this, rosemary. And this one we already plant carrots, all carrots in here, but we don't know if it works or not. So this one is still empty, but we plan to put here tomatoes, and then here would be the jalapenos and rosemary, and here would be my long bean, sitaw, string beans in Philippines. Yeah, long bean here, they call it long bean. So this one would be the green bell pepper, and this one we already plant, we just get done. This is yellow onions, so I plant like 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times 5, 35. So 35 onions. So also this one, it's already dirty. It's already dirty. We just buy this today, and let's see what happens. This one we will plant this Wednesday, because